Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez and I'm just fixing up some jewellery. So I just did a little video and unravelled this chain. That was an event. And I talked about having some tweezers for sale. These are $5.50 in my Buy For Your Handcrafts Square online store. So if you look at go to my blog, which is buyforyourhandcraftsblogspot.com, you can see a part on there that says my shop, goes to my shop, so just click on that, and these are in there. So these are the same sort of tweezers. These are just older, and you squeeze them like this and they come open. Very handy little tweezers for lots of things. Pointy nose. These are my jewellery tweezers, and I've got some more jewellery tools out now. So I thought I'll just have a look at these other things I've got on the table to see what I need to do with them. So this one, I might have to zoom in a little bit to make sure I stay in the centre. So this one has just come apart here. Just need to put that back on. So that's got a little O-ring on it. A little bit fiddly, these ones, because they're so tiny. Just grab that little O-ring there. Again, very tricky. So when you're doing O-rings, you have to be really careful. So I go up one way and up the other way. I'm just going to open a little bit. So you don't pull it sideways, you pull it, get a grip on it. Got to be quiet to concentrate. You go this way. So you twist it round a tiny bit. See how I've come up this way? You don't pull it open, you pull it sideways. So then you can just get your other end. I think this chain goes any old way, so let me just double check before I just have to pull that up and double check the chain. Pretty sure it's okay which way I put it in. Just got to hold it up and double check that the chain's not all twisted or anything. Sorry, I've probably gone out of camera again now, haven't I? Go back out a bit. I don't often do jewellery repairs on my camera. Okay, so I'm just twisting that around a bit so that the chain's sitting nicely. I might just hold it. I'll have to hold it up straight for a second over here off the camera just to get it hanging straight. And then we'll come back. I think that's okay. Slide that bit in there. And then come back down here. We'll bring that O-ring closed. So it just brings the O-ring, oh, don't want to go out of. The O-ring's closed now. So that's basically just using your pliers to pull this way and then go back again that way, so you're not straining on the piece. Hey, thanks for watching. Ciao.